I've been getting some comments lately about where I get my colored pencils in the color palette in Rough Animator. I'll show you how I activate those and why you might not be able to use them depending on your hardware on today's episode of the Expat Animator. So let's go ahead and open up Rough Animator real quick here. And I'll create a new project. And you'll see over here on the left corner, I've got my color palette. And I have mine set to the color crayons just because I prefer using it. And you'll see right up here, you've got 5 options. And by default, you'll probably see something like this. Then there's the RGB sliders. You can change that to a couple of other options. And then there's 2 other options here, and then the final option here is the color crayons. And so I just started using those because it's easier for me to pick a quick color. But you may not have this on your computer or your tablet, and that's because this is a Mac only color palette. And let me show you what I mean. If I get out of Rough Animator and I just open up Text Edit, which is an Apple program, create a new document here, and if I go in to pull up my color palette, you can see here, by default, there's these same 5 options, and the 5th option here is the color crayon option. So this is a thing that's built into the Mac operating system, and developers can choose to use these in their applications for their color palettes. So if you're not seeing them, don't worry. Maybe you're on a PC or some other device, but it's just another way to pick a color, and whatever comes with your system will work, but you may not have the option to see the color pencils like I've got if you're not on a Mac. So I hope that helps clear up a little confusion about the color crayon palette. My name is Patrick Davidson, the Expat Animator. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.